When considering your marketing budget as a business owner, you may occasionally overlook professional photography as an option. Surely you could use stock photos or take some snapshots yourself, can't you? After all, there are other areas where you need to spend your budget. However, this is something you should not dismiss. No matter how capable your smartphone camera is, professional photos are a much better option. While the camera itself is an important consideration, the magic behind quality photography comes from the photographer, not the equipment. High-quality photos are an asset and a tool designed to increase your chances of success. Therefore, professional photography should be a budget priority. And here are a few reasons why. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Chances are you've heard this phrase, and it's true. We live in a visual society, and social media has amplified that notion. Images show your audience what you are all about, and first impressions are critical. When it comes to commerce, consumers expect to have a good look at what they are buying. In lieu of physically inspecting a tangible good, they rely on product photos to inform their purchasing decision. Pictures of the essential angles, feature details, textures make all the difference. Don't lose out on a sale simply because you had low-quality product photos. Your media is representative of your business. Let's face it, image is everything. These days, much of your communication is conducted with consumers via your website, print, social media, and other visual mediums. Since their first impression is dependent on aesthetics, you want to make sure that you present them quality photos that accurately represent your business and the goods you sell. On the flip side, poor or low-quality images can make consumers less likely to interact with you, as many become turned off by a company that doesn't seem to care about the appearance they project. Consumers want to know you. Some business owners consider using stock images when they don't feel a professional photo shoot fits within their budget. While these can be helpful in certain situations, they are not an ideal way to show off your business, as they aren't actual photos of your company, and this can come across as disingenuous. Ideally, you want to show off actual photos of your business, yourself, team members, and the products when possible. Professional images are versatile. You've probably heard content is king when it comes to marketing, and this has been true for some time now. However, many people don't realize that photos are considered a powerful and versatile form of content. Photos can make your website engaging. You can also use them on social media pages, blog posts, or articles. You can also use your photos offline in brochures and promo materials. There are so many ways that professional photos can enhance your marketing efforts. Now that you know how professional photography can benefit your business, let's look at some of the most popular and proven product image styles. Studio shots. In today's world of online shopping, there's a critical need for good product photography, and different products require different approaches. For example, a glass perfume bottle requires separate lighting from a cardboard package because its surfaces are unique and reflect light differently. Another consideration would be food photography. When creating images of meals, for example, the surrounding context, table setting, flatware, dishes, need to complement the food, which is the product, itself. Online retailers that sell numerous products need speed and efficiency when creating their images, as well as consistency. This creates another need for a studio space where repetitious photography can maintain a consistent look and feel. Background shots. White background photography is the most common type of background shot for several reasons. First, it creates a silhouette or knockout of the product, allowing it to appear as if it's floating. From there, you can use photo editing software to remove the product from the background and place it on a pure white background without shadows, and add it to another object as a composite. Amazon is a great place to see products on white backgrounds. Most of the sellers use white sets for their products. Printed catalogs are often examples of products on white backgrounds as well. Grouping shots. If you have several variations of the same product, photos are a great way to show that to your consumers. Grouping shots are a great way to show the product shape, variety, and size options in one photo. The relative context of one photo versus another in a single image can be very informative. Lifestyle shots. This type of product photo highlights the image's intended use. Typical lifestyle imagery includes people using the product within the expected environment. For example, a happy couple using cookware in the kitchen creates a terrific lifestyle image. Lifestyle photography is a powerful way to help your potential customer imagine what it's like to live with your product. In conclusion, when drafting your marketing budgets, be sure to include an investment in quality professional photography. These images will help you stand out from your competition, endear yourself to your customers, and provide you with versatile use options for today's omni-channel marketing. Not sure where to start with professional photography for your business? Contact us today and let's strategize together.